morning. So I wanted to do what's in my makeup bag, since this is stuff that I use every single day and I kind of just take it with me every single day. So first off, this bag, custom made. My mom made it. She wants to get into like selling stuff, and my mama can sew. So this is what she made. I don't know what's going on with the zipper, but at first I thought it was a little bone. Then you open it and it's lined with blue. It's a cute little bag. So let me show you. I don't use it a lot. This is literally my everyday. So first things first, I use just a regular face brush. This is a powder brush from e.l.f. The black edition brushes are the best that I've used, super cheap, and I don't need that many. Face powder, this is the light medium face powder. I was putting makeup all over my face, but ever since the pandemic and since it's super hot and we have to wear masks, I don't do that. I just apply this on my eyelid as a base. Then I have, my sister showed me that she had this little flawless thing. I was like, what is this? Turns on and you can do your brows. I need to do my brows too, so there's this pretty little gadget, and it's rose gold pink kind of. So yes, this was like 15 bucks at Walgreens. Have a comb because I don't do my hair anymore. This is all my hair. I'm trying to do like, this is my natural hair, nothing on it. I like it. I like the waves. Normally I have it in a bun with one of my scrunchies, but this time I just wanted it to be free and not like get that like clumpy kind of like your hair where it's kind of, you know what I mean? I don't know how to explain it. So yeah. So I use this comb. I definitely want to get a wet brush though, and not retire it, but whenever my hair is dry, I'll use it. But I want for sure a wet brush. I have my deodorant in here. I feel like I can only use Secret. I can't use anything else. I don't know. Then my all-time favorite mascara. This is the Telescopic L'Oreal. Love it because the bristles are super thin and I just get a longer lash. Then this is my e.l.f. Fluffy Eye Blender brush. I love it because it's super like, you know, and it just gets in your creases. So I love this stuff. Then my go-to palette has to be this Physicians Formula one. This is in Classic Nudes. I always go for the two darkest ones on my crease, and then this one on my lid. I rarely use this white one, but definitely love this. And it has a little mirror, so I don't need too much. I always used to carry massive ass palettes, and I just ain't nobody got time for that. I'm trying this new eyebrow brush. I was using the next one, but this one, they were both in ash. This one is a little darker than the next one. This one was $5, the next one was $10. I definitely would recommend the next one, but this was the backup for the backup, and I just wanted to try it anyways. I was using the Anastasia pomade, but this is so much easier. You just put it on, it has the brush. You don't need to carry like 10 different things, I feel like, and it's a little bit easier because I don't have to use concealer, whereas the pomade, I don't know how to explain it. I guess I have to do a brows video for you to understand what I'm talking about, but there's that. Then I use this, I grabbed it because they didn't have, I normally go to Walmart and I get a specific chapstick and they didn't have it when I was getting it. So I was like, okay, this is the best, second best thing, I guess. So I got this one. And yeah, I haven't actually used it in a minute, so let me use it now. Okay. The next thing that I use on a regular basis is this oil. This is pure jojoba oil. You can find it on Amazon, but I have it specifically. So this is what I have, and then I'll put this on my face, or I'll also put it on my hair. Honestly, I use it nail, face, everything. And then, well, I guess I brought another one. This one's a super, I don't know why I thought this one was gonna be a good idea. This was Fair to Light, but meh. I thought maybe I'd use it on my eye. Maybe not, because it reminds me of that, of this white. And then lastly, some shimmer. I rarely use it, but sometimes I just want a little bit of a pop. And this one reminds me of, oh, I can't remember the Urban Decay color. If you know, you know, but it totally reminds me of that, like Stardust or something. And this is Milani's. The price is like a quarter of it, I'm pretty sure. This is 16 Bella Champagne. Definitely love. Oh, look at that. The other one is more creamier, I feel like, but it easily broke for me. This, gorgeous. Okay, and that's it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you use, because maybe I want to expand and not just, yeah, I just want simple things. I'm not trying to go over the top. No more foundation, no more concealer. I just like to be basic now. My hair and everything. Thanks. Now I gotta put everything away.